Let's jump into creating our first object, okay? So an object is defined by this class keyword in Python. So you type class, that is a keyword in Python, that's telling it, hey, I'm going to now define a function, okay? Or define a object or class. Sorry about that. So let's say we're going to do Jared Goff. So Jared Goff is a football player. He's the quarterback of the Los Angeles Rams, okay? So we can now define different attributes, okay? And an attribute is just something to describe the function, okay? So if we were to describe Jared Goff, he has a first name equals Jared. He has a last name, Goff. He has a position, so quarterback. Team, Los Angeles Rams. And a jersey number, 16. Okay? So this object is going to define or describe Jared Goff. Okay? And we run it, nothing's going to happen because we haven't done anything. All we've done is defined the object. But now that we have an object called Jared Goff, we can actually refer to different attributes. So let's say we're going to define a new object called person equals Jared Goff. Okay? So what this is doing is creating a new object instance, okay, that has all of these attributes, okay? So every time we say person equals Jared Goff, that means person now is going to save an instance of all this information, okay? What does that really mean? Let's get right into it. If we were to put person dot first name, okay, this dot is going to access one of the attributes. That's how you access the different attributes and properties in objects, okay? You use this dot. And then we'd say the name of the attribute, which is first name, okay? We could do last name, we could do position, we could do team. So if we're going to run this, Jared dot, or person dot first name is Jared, okay? If we were to do person dot last name, okay, Goff, okay? So our person is now Jared Goff. Now we could create a bunch of different objects. So, you know, we can do a class called Todd Gurley, who's another football player, and then go through all these same fields, or different same properties, but there's a much easier way to do that. Okay, now when we define person, we can actually dynamically do that instead of having to rely on the same values for the attributes. So we're going to get into that next.